As a quant, I want to show you how to actually use AI in trading. As you can see, I have my AI running here. I have a few AI agents down here in the bottom of the terminal, researching, backtesting, and implementing. But I'm a quant and I have been coding here live for over 1,600 hours. And I promise, if you stick around for this short video, you will see how to actually use AI in trading. And I'm sorry to burst your bubble. It's not going to be to predict the price. You know, unlike weather or sales, those things won't really change if 1,000 people predict the weather or the sales. But with predicting price for like Bitcoin or Apple stock or Tesla or whatever, if there's 1,000 quants who predict the
Still to be
price,
happy about.
You're up 2-0.
Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
if there's 1,000 quants that predict the price, well, that price is going to change. So unlike weather and sales, if you predict price, if a bunch of people predict price, it's going to change. So I'm not going to show you how to predict price with AI. Maybe you'll be able to figure that out, but nobody's going to just show that to you. So my name is Moondev, and I've been helping traders remove emotion out of their day-to-day trading so they don't have to stare at these charts anymore. And I help them by automating their trading. You see this? This is Jim Simons. He's the best algo trader ever. He ran up a net worth of $31 billion, all from automated trading. And what he says you always have to make your systems better and better and better. But now we can use AI to make systems better and better and better. So the guy that ran up a $31 billion net worth off of automated trading says he just made his systems better and better and better. Now, the other day, I did a little copy coding, looking at my old code, writing it down, typing it out, and it was about 500 lines of code. I just wanted to check in to see if my fingers still work because I use AI now to code almost everything. And you know Y Combinator, YC companies, right now in 2025, they said that 95% of the code that is written for their companies in this batch is written by AI. So I'm not crazy here. I know a lot of people said I was crazy, but you know, they're the investors in Airbnb, Instacart, Dropbox, Stripe, so on and so on. They said 95%. And the reason is because when I copied my code the other day, it was 500 lines of code and it took me 2.5 hours. That does not include thinking through the code, thinking through the bugs. It was 2.5 hours of me typing out code that I already had. But now with AI, I can write those same 500 lines of code in 10 minutes. Do you see how big of a change that is? Jim Simons didn't have access to this, and he ran up a net worth of 31 billion. You and I, we have access to it. Plus, we all have all of the information that he left behind for us. Much love to Jim Simons. He tragically passed here in 2024 of May. And much love to him, his family. And I want to show you for the rest of the day exactly how I use AI in trading.